Are you new to the programming world and haven't done any programming before? So here I will teach you that how to code in Python, and we will write some few lines of code in Python. So let's get started. So at first you need to ensure that your Python is installed. So for that you need to search Python download, and from this link you can download Python. And one more thing, you should also ensure that your VS Code is installed. If it is not, then you can install from here. So let's get started further. Okay, so this is something which you will see when you will open VS Code. So on this icon, which is extensions, click here and search Python and click on this link, and you have to install this extension. Then here you need to open one folder. So let me open. So to open a folder, you need to click here on File, Open Folder. So here is what I want to open, this Python tutorial. Then you need to click on Yes, I trust the authors. Next you need to click here and create a file named main.py. So here you can write your Python code and run it. Okay, so here I will just go and toggle screencast mode so that you all can see what am I typing. So here we'll learn about the print function. Okay. Wow. So now can you all tell me that print hello world, what will happen? Actually, this print function just prints the item inside this parenthesis on the screen. So let's run. See, it printed hello world, and you all can try it and you will just create your first Python program.